Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'm from Cine-Q. We have a series of videos demonstrating how personalized videos can be applied for a wide range of industries, placing our imaginary character Quentin into various situations. Today I'm going to take a look at a basic example of how veterinarians can use personalized videos to remind their clients to bring in their pet for their regular health check. But before we get into it, let's do a quick recap on what is a personalized video. Personalized videos, as the name suggests, contains elements that are unique to the individual, which greatly increases viewers' engagement and ultimately the ROI on your video marketing. A common example is when the viewer's name is being mentioned in the video, but you can also get quite sophisticated with it. We prepared a video that goes into more detail, so if you haven't watched it, then I encourage you to do so by clicking in the link in the description. We're gonna see Quentin's dog Brownie behaving strangely, causing Quentin a fair bit of stress. After multiple attempts to fix the situation, Quentin looks up Brownie's documents and sees that he is due for his next visit. The dog's mood changes immediately when he hears that he will go to the vet. Now let's watch it again and highlight some of the key parts that can be personalized. The first part of these videos need to create an immediate emotional connection with the viewer. Most pet owners melt when they see photos or videos of their pet or another pet of the same kind. If you're a vet, you need to consider building up an entertaining library of photos and videos of your clients' pets and use them in your video marketing. This reminder video doesn't need to be long, as your core objective is to get your clients to bring in their pet for their regular health check. As we can see, this part of the video contains all the relevant personal information such as Quentin's pet name, type, and last visit. The final scene must have a clear call to action, such as a click on the dog to book an appointment. Upon clicking on the dog, the viewer should be taken to a pre-filled landing page to make the booking process easy. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video on how vets can use personalized videos to remind their clients about their pet's health check. Obviously, this is just a very basic demonstration, as you can get very creative and sophisticated with personalized videos. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on video personalization. If you're unsure about how your business can use personalized videos, feel free to get in touch with us via Cine-Q.com. Thank you for watching.